Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Now, today I am going to perform the activity number 2, right, of chemistry. And the aim of this activity is what? To draw and write the uses of some of the laboratory equipments. That is why they are termed as laboratory friends, because they are used in different activities. To do the different activities in the lab, they are used. Okay, that is why they are termed as laboratory friends. So, what are the different things we will observe today in the practical? First, test tube, China dish, beaker, funnel, tripod stand, wire gauge, holder, separating funnel, and spirit glass. Get it? So, I'm going to show you one by one these different laboratory friends. So, what is the first student? Test tube, is it? Just see that here I have the test tube. The test tubes are made up of glass, and this is used for what? This is used to mix certain chemicals in it and to heat it. Get it? This is simply used in the labs. Our second friend is, yes, the second one is China dish. China dish, actually it is a bowl which is made up of a special material so that you can heat it at high temperature. In the labs, if something is required to heat at high temperature, so we cannot use the glass because the glass can break at high temperature. That is why this China dish is used, and it can bear a lot of temperature without breaking. Get it? So what is the name of this friend? China dish. Now the third is beaker. You see that here. We have the beaker. This is made up of glass also, and the plastic beakers are also used in the labs. Get it? It looks like somewhat of glass, means the tumbler, but it have the markings on it, and these markings help us to take the particular volume of any liquid in it, either the water or any liquid. Get it? So just see that here the labeling is there. Made 50 ml, 100 ml, 150 ml, 200 ml and all. And the different sizes of beakers are available in the labs. Right? Now, the next friend is, yes, funnel. You see that here. This is funnel, children. This is used for what? For filtering. For filtering some of the substance, like the mixture especially. Like the filter of mixture of water and sand, say that, water and mud. So simply we use this funnel. Get it? It is also made of glass as well as plastic. Now the next trend is tripod stand. Tripod stand is what? Actually a stand who have three legs. That is why it is known as tripod stand. Get it? And this stand is used to or keep on some of the substance at the time to heat. Suppose if we want to heat our beaker, where we will place our beaker? Above the tripod stand, and we can put our burner below it. Get it? At the time of filtration, we will use it to keep our funnel above it and the beaker below it. Get it? So for different purpose, this tripod stand is used in lab. Okay. Now the next friend is wire gauge. Children, this is wire gauge. Alright. A net-like structure which is made up of wire, not by other material, not by plastic or the thread. This wire is made up of metal, and this wire gauge is used to keep above this tripod stand at the time of heating something. Suppose if we want to heat the substance in this beaker, so we will place this beaker above this wire gauge, and then we will heat it. So what will happen? This wire gauge will spread the heat throughout all the base of beaker equally. Get it? The heat of the flame, that burner, gets spread equally to all part of the beaker because of this wire gauge. Right? So this is the use of wire gauge in the labs. The next friend we have test tube holder. Children, test tubes are needed to sometime heating of the mixture, heating of the liquid or substances, and it is not safe to hold it with the fingers. Is it not? So that is why we use the holder. This is the test tube holder, and through this holder we can hold our test tube like this. And now we can do the work. We can heat it. We can mix the different chemicals because some chemicals are harmful. Is it not? So it is not safe to put your test tube in fingers. Is it? So that is why we use this holder to protect ourselves. Get it? The next friend is what? Separating funnel. A funnel which is specially designed to separate the two liquids. And which kind of liquids? They are miscible or immiscible? Immiscible liquids like water and oil. Get it? So for separating two immiscible liquids, we are using this separating funnel. Children, you can see that here. It has the mouth from where we can put the liquids like oil and water. Get it? Here we have a what? Stopper. This is stopper. We can rotate it. If we rotate it, it will get on, off. Alright. So first we will make it off. Then we will place the beaker below it and put both the immiscible liquid like water and oil. When they get settled, then slowly we will on the stopper. So the liquid present below, they will fall. Right? And the liquid which is present at the top, when it will reach to the stopper, we will off it. So what simply will occur? Our both immiscible liquid gets separated. Alright. So this separating funnel is mainly used for what? Separating the immiscible liquids. Get it? So this is also one of the important laboratory friends. Okay, and now the last one is spirit lamp. If we want to heat something in the lab, in any activity, so we need a burner na? And burner cannot be what? Used everywhere or can be carried everywhere. So that is why generally in the lab we are using the spirit lamp. This is the lamp in which what is filled? Spirit is filled. Okay, and spirit is one of the what? Fuel that can burn and produce the heat. Alright, get it? So that is why for heating burner, for heating paste tubes or the beakers, what we are using? We are using the spirit lamp. Get it? Understood everyone? So these all are the different laboratory friends and you have to draw their diagram in your activity notebook and you have to write the uses also. Okay? Thank you and have a nice student.